What's good, YouTube? Welcome to the new crib. This might look a bit different than what you guys are used to on the channel. I've had the builders put in this place together for about a year now, so we just got possession today. We actually got the keys today. The whole process was a bit stressful, to say the least, but we finally got it, y'all. Like, this is going to be the new headquarters for all of my work. If you've been following my channel for a while now, then you probably know that I love DIY work or just anything involving home. So smart home stuff, decor, all of that stuff. We're going to be doing a lot of work in this house right here. So there's a lot of projects that we kind of let the builders get to a certain level so we can do more customizations to make it even more fun. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick empty tour or empty house tour to show you guys the entire space and kind of walk you guys through our plans and what we're gonna be doing in this place. It's not gonna be 1 month, it's not gonna be 2 months. I don't know how long it's gonna take, but I'm gonna bring you guys along as we do the whole thing, as we go through each of these different rooms and make it personal. It's gonna be fun. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, but let's not waste any more time. Let's check out the crib. So first off, this little room right here. So this is going to be a small office space, but it's not going to be my office space. This is going to be Hannah's office space. So we've left out a little opening here or a gap here just so we can put up a slat wall. So it's gonna be a DIY slat wall. I'm not gonna say much more about that right now, but it's gonna be really cool. This is the first one, but you'll notice throughout the entire house that we've got kind of dark gray doors, tall doors. In here is just a guest bathroom, so it's nothing crazy, just pretty simple, but tall as usual. You can even see the mirror is massive right there. Like, it's awesome, man. So around this corner here is pretty much just a small hallway that leads to the garage. So as you can see everywhere, you can't really see it right now, sorry, it's not as easy to see, but we have the tall doors throughout the entire main floor. So this is just like somewhere where you'd store your jacket and whatnot, you know, when you come in here. We've got the garage here. This is one of my favorite parts of this build. And one of the reasons why we waited a year to get this is so we can modify it or make it into the way that I want. So if you follow me on my fitness channel, then you already know that I love training from home. I've been training from home for over 3 years now, really since the start of COVID. So I decided to finally have a fully finished gym. Well, it's not finished yet, but I'm going to finish it. It's gonna be a DIY project as well. So we're gonna be doing some work in there. But so far, here's what it looks like from what they've done. This is going to be my new headquarters for where I do all of my training, my fitness videos. So excited, man, for to finally have my own personal space where I can train from. I've already got some flooring that I'm going to lay down very quickly here. I'm not gonna take any time to get this whole place up. So I had them put a bunch of lights in here so I don't have to worry about lighting whenever I'm working out or filming videos. So I don't know how much equipment I'm gonna be able to fit in here, but we're gonna have to see. I've got some really big plans for this space, and I hope you guys are looking forward to seeing that as well. I'm not gonna showcase the process of getting this place up and running on this channel. So if you wanna see that, you're gonna have to check out my fitness channel because I kind of keep things separate that way. But I will probably tour the smart side of the gym because it's going to have smart stuff. That's just me. I'm a tech guy that likes to lift weights. That's just how it is. But yeah, it's not a massive space by any means at all. And in fact, the entire house is not massive or anything like that. I know you guys have seen some of these crazy YouTuber videos where they have these crazy builds, or I'm not there yet, but I'm content. I'm happy with what I have right now. And it's been a long way to get here. Nobody sees the grind, they only see the results. And they just assume that everything was easy, but I'm not even gonna try to argue or explain anything. I'm just gonna tell you guys right now that it's worth it to grind for whatever you wanna get in life. Coming out of the garage, we've got the mudroom and we've got the pantry. So we've got wire shelving in here, nothing crazy. Gotta do some DIY work in there for sure. And then down this path is going to lead into the kitchen, or leads into the kitchen. So that's where we are right now. We've got a built-in microwave. We've got the usual, well, not so usual because this one is gas stove, not electric. We've got a stainless steel fridge. Something that I actually specifically paid the builders to do was this. This is called a waterfall island. Now, this was just a no-brainer for this specific build because when you come in from the door, you'll notice that the first thing you see is this side of the island, but not from this side, I mean from the opposite side. But both sides are very visible. So having this little waterfall or this aesthetic right here just makes it really, really, really nice to look at. Something else I specifically had them switch out before completing the build was the sink type. It's not stainless steel, which is what you would usually find at most places. I've never used anything else besides stainless steel, but this is something that's really, really cool that I'm excited to use. This is the main floor and this is the center point of the house. So we're gonna go check out the living room and the dining room space, which is, I can't say it's my favorite now that I already said the kitchen's my favorite. Okay, so welcome to the living room space, or at least a new living room space. I don't have the, tall ceilings that I had at the old place, but this is still unique in its own way and really, really fun. What we have planned for this area. So it's just an open space. I love how it's just an open concept connected to the kitchen and connected to the dining room. So right here, I've got a Cat 6 jack and I've got like a little pass through that, goes all the way to the bottom. So that way I can run all my cables very cleanly. I don't know if you guys have watched any of my videos, but I did a living room tour video or living room build video a while ago where I had to cut out a hole in the wall at my current place and kind of route it behind the wall. So I had to do that because the build came that way. This is gonna be a really fun place to do a lot of cool stuff. So we're gonna design this entire space, do some cool stuff. I'm not gonna tell you guys much about what we're doing because some things might change along the way. So I don't wanna get your hopes up or my hopes up. So yeah, this is pretty much it. We got pot lights all over the place. One last thing on this floor is the massive window. So if you've noticed how much light we're getting in, it's very moody, but honestly, without the light coming from these windows or the door and the window, it's something else. It would have been so dark in here. Time to check out the top floor. This is where the bonus room is situated, as well as all the bedrooms in the house. So there's a secret room that I can't wait to show you guys, which we'll get to in a second here, but this is the bonus room. I don't know if you guys can see all of it. Well, see as much of it as you can. But it's not massive by any means, but it's the perfect space for a bonus room. So we're gonna probably have a couch here or something like that, a little lamp here. So I don't know what it's gonna be, but we're gonna do some fun stuff there. But we've also got the same thing that we have in the living room here as well. If you know me, then you know that cable management is huge for me, important. And I've tailored most of this entire place for that. I've even got outlets in top corners of the wall all over the place, which is just gonna be for things like, say, I don't know, a light or even a speaker, like say a Sonos speaker or some kind of speaker like that that you want out the way. So what I essentially did with this build is fix a lot of the issues that I experienced or I'm currently experiencing at my current place. So that's why you're seeing all the cable management stuff and the outlets where they are. So it took me a year, I had to wait a year essentially for them to do all that stuff to make it slight bit custom because yeah, it's a slight bit custom. Now, this is my special secret room. This is going to be my new, I don't know, game room or my new closet. I don't know if you guys know about my closet gaming setup, the one that I built at my current place right now to help in really maximizing the space in my office. So now I've got a dedicated space for that. So it's gonna be a gaming setup. I've got cable management routing ports or openings there as well, just like I do with all the other spots in the house and, outlets and all of that. It's a nice little corner, that just kind of is apart from the bonus room or just apart from the house. Closet was great, nothing wrong with that, but this is the upgrade. This is a little nook, my little nook right here. On this floor, we've got 3 bedrooms. There's 2 small ones and then there's the master bedroom. This is one of the smaller bedrooms, nothing crazy, just a bedroom. We're in the second bedroom. It's almost identical to the other one. We've got pot lights. I actually had 4 pot lights, which is not conventional. Usually you'd get one 6-inch light at the center. So I got 4 4-inch pot lights installed here. Proceeding from the bedrooms through the bonus room, we've got a second bathroom, a full bathroom here. Over here, we've got the laundry room. So we don't have any washers or dryers in there yet because I plan on getting some Samsung bespokes. I know a lot of people out there probably have their reservations about Samsung appliances, but I never really actually had one of them. I've had their phones and they work great. And even their monitors work pretty well, TVs, all of that. But I've never used their appliances before, but this one is supposed to be fun. I can check, a few alerts and stuff on my phone, which is very important to me and something that I've noticed that I really wanted to add to my smart home or smart home setup. So like my washer and dryer. I know it sounds stupid, but it's whatever. I like to do that stuff. Proceeding down this way, we have the master ensuite. Right there, we have a freestanding bathtub. And as you can see over there, we have a shower with all black shower head. It's really clean. Like, we really wanted to make sure that we didn't have chrome or nothing like that in there. Chrome, stainless steel, whatever you call it. It's all black hardware, and we've got the glass shower. It's a really cool place that I'm excited to, of course, shower in. So this is just by itself. Kind of has its own door if you want to have a little bit of privacy. Over here we have the sinks, and we didn't have the builders put any mirrors up because we plan on doing our own custom style mirrors. So that's gonna be an exciting little project for us, which I can't wait to do. With this house, we only had one closet with the model build, but when they proposed that to us, we said, you know what, we want to make sure that we have two different closets. We want to separate it. So we did something that I'm going to show you guys in a second. But this is my closet. This is where I'm going to be storing my clothes, of course. We've got some wire shelving in here as well, and we're going to be doing some custom stuff, of course, so we can maximize this space, make things look awesome as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. A small space there. But let's check out the master bedroom. So that's where we are right now. This is the master bedroom. It's not huge. I mean, it was a lot larger until we did something special to the space. This is a wall that was not supposed to be here when we looked at the model. So the model did not have this wall. It was just a large bedroom, but we decided to add a half wall, a wall in between, essentially, just to create a walk around closet. So you can walk around the wall to get to a closet. Now, this was actually Hannah's idea, because she really wanted to have, you know, more space for her own stuff. So we couldn't get everything for both of us into that closet. It's what we currently do, but it doesn't work out well. Whatever excess stuff that I have will also be going in here if they don't fit in my other closet over there. But yeah, a little wall in between the room. The bed is going to go against this wall, and we're gonna do some hanging lights or something like that. We had those installed specifically for that reason. This bedroom is gonna be a fun project. Over here, we have very similar design to what we have on all over the entire house. That's pretty much it up here. It's nothing crazy. All right, so we're going down the stairs to check out possibly what I'm most excited about in this entire house. So the basement. Now, I'm gonna tell you guys why when we get down there. It's undeveloped right now, but it's going to be my new studio. It's gonna be where I'm gonna have my desk setups. I'm gonna have my overhead setups, all my YouTube stuff, my content creation stuff, everything is going to be down here. I can't wait. This is the most excited I've been in a long time to do anything. I'm going to be custom building this entire place. I had the builders leave it, you know, pretty much blank, just leave it the way it is, undeveloped, so I can have a contractor come in and do it, you know, transform the entire space for me. So they're gonna do some work, but I'm also going to be doing some DIY work to transform the space, make it more personalized. You're gonna see slat wall stuff, you're gonna see cool desk setups, you're gonna see cable management, you're gonna see the whole shebang out here, y'all. Like, I am so excited to get this place up and running. Like, I'm not waiting. Like, we took possession today. I said in 7 days, I gotta get that permit to get this thing developed so I can have somebody in here getting this thing up and running right away. We're gonna have the whole entire wall covered with acoustic drywall, so sound dampening. Yes, I don't wanna hear nothing coming from the top or from any of those parts of the basement. So there's a lot more that we've got planned for this whole space here. I'm not gonna talk much about it right now, but make sure that you guys are subscribed to the channel. And if you follow my channel for desk setup content or for smart home stuff or whatever, then you're going to love all the videos that are coming on the way. I've got some crazy builds, some crazy setups that I've been planning for a long time now, and I can't wait to finally show you guys what I have and, you know, been planning. If you come all the way down here with me, you'll notice that we've got a little perfect, I don't know, square. It's kind of a square. It might not be a perfect square, but it's some kind of a square. Now, this is going to be the lounge area. I don't know if you've seen people's studio on YouTube. Most people tend to have a TV, you know, in their office. For me, I decided, instead of having a TV, because I got TVs across the house, why not have a lounge area with a projector? So that's what this is going to be. It's going to be a projector room that's going to be soundproof as well. That way I'm able to separate work and play by keeping this room separate from the studio. Like, it's still on the same floor, but that little barrier, the walls and the door will create that little separation. So whenever I'm in there, I'm gonna be trying to have fun and not work. I'm gonna tone down and just cut out the work. It's not a very large space or anything like that, but it's perfect. It's cozy, or at least it will be cozy when we're done with it. Similar to the main floor, we've also got sliding door here, as well as a massive window. So that for me is huge. Having that while also working from here is going to be amazing. The inspiration is not going to be hard to find. I'm going to be working and grinding hard from here. That's pretty much it for this empty house tour. Like, there's still more spots to show, but it's winter right now. I can't show you guys outside. And honestly, I really don't want to show anybody outside. But for right now, I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. I hope you guys are as happy as I am to see all these different things come to life. Maybe not as happy as I am. I don't think anybody could be. Thank you guys for watching, and I really appreciate you guys' support. Everyone that's out there that really supports me, I appreciate it. You don't even know how much this means to me, because this is because of you guys. We're gonna start building now, so expect a bunch of videos to start hitting the channel from here on moving forward. But I'll catch you guys in my next video. It's Tommy, and I'm out, y'all. Peace.